List is the most versatile Python compound data type. A list can contain the item that is separated by a comma. The list element if you want to store multiple element at a single place, then we are using a list, and list is enclosed by the square bracket. To some extent, lists are similar to a array in C programming language or Java programming language. Array is saying that you have to store the multiple value at the same time. You have to store multiple value in a single variable. Okay, the similar way, this thing is also used. Okay, so right, what is list? And list can be accessed through the colon. Okay, and if you want to join the list, we're using concatenation operator, and asterisk operator is used to retrieve all the elements from the list. So write it. List ABCD 786 2.23 John 70.2 और a tiny list रहला 1 2 3 and John the print mo list करूची ए list रे जहा element अछि ओते शो करिवो यदि print list 0 करिवे खाली ABCD शो करिवो print list 1 is to 3 0 1 then 0 1 2 3 means 786 to John. Then if I write print list 2 is to 0 1 2 2 पर to जहा element तेबो शो करिवो যদি ମୁଁ ଲେଖିବେ tiny list into 2 ତ tiny list ରେ 1 2 3 John ଅଛି ତ 1 2 3 John 1 2 3 John two time ଦେଖେଇବ list plus tiny list ଯେତେବେଳେ ମିଶିବ ତାରେ ଦିଟାକୁ concatenation ବା join କରିଦବ ABCD 786 2.23 John and 70.2 and 1 2 3 and John. Okay, so he joined the right. Y underscore list 1 is equals to 5 12 13 and 14 print जहाँ भी list element अच्छी है शो करेगा देखा है here if you pass 0 index so as it is just like a array value is retrieved through the index number, it is also retrieved through the index number. If I pass here 0 then they showing you 5 here. Okay, statement record suppose maybe okay तो कहाँ अच्छी मोबाइल है अब 500 टका थिला और नहीं थिलो मजे
ना 200 टका नेले 500 800 टका थे जाए पहले का ऑर्डर ने 700 तो 200 टका 500.
So -1 means it is retrieved from the reverse order. Okay. Okay. So existing list को हमें modify करियो. My list one. Three index. 0, 1, suppose two index, 0, 1, 2. So in two index, I store the value. In place of 13, suppose I pass here 80. So here, print period. In place of 13, now it is replaced. Means list is updated. जो element थी वो ताजा करा मैं आउट eliminated. See there. So after writing my list dot clear, then when I execute, okay, so it is blank the list. Okay, so clear use कले हमारे list को से blank कर दो. बुझेला अवश्य. Okay, चलो. The next class है आगे बढ़ियो.